Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add people to your spreadsheet on the Google Sheets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select from these documents that you have already created, or you can also create a new one by tapping on the plus icon down below and then tapping on the new spreadsheet icon. Then you should type in the name of your new spreadsheet and then press the button create. So now you have created your new spreadsheet. If you would like to add people to your document, press the button at the top of the screen, which is supposed to be a person. As you can see, you have the ability to type in the name of the person that you would like to add to your group, thereby giving or having the accessibility to manage the access of these people. So you can select the general access of your document. So as you can see, now it is restricted, so only those people who are added can open this document, but you have another option, anyone with the link. So this permission has been updated, so you can add new people or groups to your document, so they have the access to see it and edit it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.